Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm playing some more Bloons TD battles, but today I'm at my grandfather's house. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
But yeah, so we're using a different computer that doesn't have the Pro Recorder, so I can't actually really use the correct recorder, but still be uploaded, you know.
It's nice to be here, and I like the background music.
Yes, this is very good background music. Well, it's background music for the game. Okay, enter battle. Let's go. Oh, I've got more wins than you. Well, that's probably not true because it's 50%. You're skipping this. You just made it even worse. Why would you do this? I'll use up one energy. Park, I'm fine with that. But see, we don't have all the monkeys. So we use these. What do I get? That's not too good. Bloom chipper, fine. Ready up. I'm gonna spy on you. Oh, never mind. Last guy I won against had cobras, and I absolutely destroyed him. It was funny. He said sorry, and then the next minute he was just dead. Okay, I haven't used a balloon chipper in a very long time. Suckier. I don't really want to use that actually. Let's use Ninja. Mr. Ninja. Hello. Would you like to come into my van and get some candy? Come on with me. I'm not a psycho. Yeah. See how trusty looking I am? I'm wearing a good red helmet, which proves that I am trustworthy. Oh, why are you getting so mad? Oh, why are you getting so mad? You triggered. Oh, I don't know how I don't get it. How? I haven't sent anything to you, except for now I want to send some raids so I can get my ego up to 260. Oh yeah. He'll handle that. I want to go late game with this guy. Actually, I'm gonna get a cannon. Range and frag bombs always first. Frag bombs are overpowered. No, they're not. They're good, but they're not overpowered. They're not incredible. This guy seems a little bit more advanced with towers than we are. We haven't upgraded one thing, but I love this green balloons. Just go right after him. And let me hit 6 more. There go 290. Make it even. Give myself some chickens. Oh, rocket launchers next. RPGs. No, they're not RPGs. RPGs are my favorite. They got my something. I don't know. They help me kill myself against rocks. You know? No! They even get... Oh yeah, we're taking damage now. Okay. Let me just get 2 boom trippers. Boom trippers aren't very good though. Long range suckier. I'll use suckier. My favorite emote in the whole game. Okay, let's use this. Multi-target, flamethrower, sonic boom. Yeah, sonic boom. Where? And now this guy's maxed out. Oh, he's got the glaive thrower. Oh. Let's get everything maxed out. Oh, I forgot we can completely max out these guys. Oh, wait a second. Can the ship see camo? Can ships see camo? Oh, dang it, they can see camo. Ships can see. Ships can see camo. No point in using camo. He's sending me medals. Is this guy stupid? I have a rocket launcher. Oh my gosh. You stupid? Oh, yep. And that's where I die. Oh. Never dare to kill me. Not today. Oh, I can get the heavy metal. Dual layers. Okay, I can now kill metal. Let's get rid of this guy. You mean nothing. I don't think there's any way for me to kill Camo Lead. And I gave him the idea. So shame on me. Let me get a few more ninjas. 1, 2, oh this guy. Oh this guy, he's... Oh yeah, he got the special for the ship. Why are you using your ability now? Oh. Very stupid thing for you to do. Oh, let me do something real quick. Oh my gosh, that guy almost like literally died. I literally have nothing that can kill. Can I send blimps? I can send blimps right now. I don't remember what they're called. I might send a VFB. I remember what that's called. I think I'll just send a normal blimp. I don't remember what it's called. No, I feel like you should be able to destroy that. Yeah, we're going BFB. If we can survive this. Oh, wait, what? What? No, don't die on me. Victory! 2 for 2. Okay. Well, since we don't have a pro controller, I'm going to end this pro recorder. I'm going to end this here. And I will see. Well, 2 towers. Let's get this first. Ooh, wizard, monkey apprentice. Apprentice. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. It's greatly appreciated. And click that bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And until next time, eat very many popcorn shrimps. Okay, goodbye. Enjoy your shrimps.